हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू दिस न्यू ब्लॉग। आज है 6 जुलाई, सुबह के 9 बजे है और अमायरा, माय ओल्डर डॉटर, शी इज इन डे केयर। वो लास्ट वीक घर पर थी 4-5 दिन बिकॉज शी वाज सिक, बट नाउ एवरीथिंग इज ओके। सो उस टाइम पे मैं ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं कर पाई थी। एज यू कैन सी इन द बैकग्राउंड इतने सारे टॉयज पड़े हैं। दिस इज जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट। देयर आर सम टॉयज देयर, a lot of them in the basement and some upstairs as well. तो मैंने सोचा कि आज का दिन अच्छा दिन है to organize everything, discard everything that we don't need, pack it up for donation and just organize the space better. ये है हमारा basement का look at the moment. As you can see, it's like really embarrassingly messy and dirty. So सब कुछ बिखरा पड़ा है. So I'm going to start organizing this first. यहाँ पे मैंने बुक्स सॉर्ट आउट कर ली है. These are the books that I'm going to keep and these are the books that have been ripped apart and missing pages and also I'm going to recycle them. So we had some clay which was really bad quality and it's very harmful, plus these small things that are like literally just useless and it's very harmful for Anna because she can choke on them. So these things I'm going to throw away. ये सब कुछ खिचड़ी बन के यहाँ पर है. So I'm going to sort everything out, like put all the numbers and letters together, put all the fruits and veggies together, put all these bath toys in one place, organize everything in these baskets for now. Hi Anna. Hi. Okay, so for now I have sorted everything. यहाँ पे सारे dolls हैं, यहाँ पे kitchen का सामान है, यहाँ पे animals और books हैं. These are some bath toys. These are the Lego pieces or building blocks. इस डब्बे में सारे letters हैं और ये कुछ random चीज़ें थी which I have to still find a box for it. This is Amayra's room at the moment. Super messy. A lot of books are like, as you can see, यहाँ पे pages फटे हुए हैं. Some books she doesn't even read, so I need to get rid of those. These are the clothes. इस closet में भी कुछ चीज़ें हैं like that baby bathtub which we don't need anymore. Some of the clothes over here which both of them have outgrown. So as boring as this sounds, मुझे आज ये करना ही है at any cost. और एक और चीज़ मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ, वो है this is the master bedroom and tada! That's the wall paneling that we had done. हमने एक painter भी बुलाया था but last minute he cancelled and then he didn't give us any dates. So I thought why not take matters in my own hands and I painted this wall. Even though it's not perfect, there's still, I need to put one more coat of paint and as you can see ceiling पे अभी भी ठीक से नहीं किया है, so I have to get on a ladder and do it. But this was just an experiment that I tried and I think it looks great and it has saved us a lot of money as well. तो ये बाकी की walls भी मैं paint करूँगी. But I ran out of paint, so I need to get more paint. So I just put Anna down for a nap about 15 minutes ago and then I was just lying on the bed, not doing anything, just chilling, browsing through my phone because I needed that break. Anna थोड़ी cranky हो रही थी and that was just getting on to me. So I just needed that little breather in between. I think now I'm feeling much better. So now we have a lot of work to do. तो चलो let's get started. लेकिन कोई भी बोरिंग काम या कोई भी काम शुरू करने से पहले ऑफ कोर्स चाय ज़रूरी है. because that just brings a different kind of enthusiasm and freshness. Also मैंने कोई makeup नहीं किया है, so you can see I want to keep it as natural as possible because this is how I usually am when I'm doing like normal household chores. I'm without makeup, like hair not really done. I don't really bother with it. चलो जी, चाय बन गई है and now let's go upstairs and begin our work. अमायरा के कपड़े सॉर्ट आउट हो गए हैं. यहाँ पे सारे ड्रेसेस है, वनजीज है फॉर द नाइट. दीज आर हर टॉप्स, दीज आर हर हाफ वनजीज, दीज आर हर स्कर्ट्स एंड शॉर्ट्स, some of her stockings, and these are all the pants. इस बॉक्स में अनाहिता के कपड़े हैं which I still need to sort out. और closet में भी कुछ है. Okay, so this closet, let's declutter everything first. This is a very scary one. Okay, so the full closet is khali now. We have a blank space to work with. Hello Miss Anna, good morning. As you can see, यहाँ पे भी कपड़े हैं. इस बॉक्स में भी कपड़े हैं. और यहाँ पे भी कपड़े हैं. So yes, there's a ton of clothes which I need to sort. ये है Anna का room. All this mess was in this closet right here. But मैंने अभी सब कुछ निकाल के यहाँ वैक्यूम कर दिया है. Guest bedroom है. यहाँ पे ये जो chest of drawers है, it's very old, not so good looking, but it's still useful. So I'm going to use this drawer inside that closet so that I can organize all of Anna's clothes and it doesn't occupy too much space outside. मैंने सारे drawers निकाल दिए हैं to make it safer and easier to move. So I'm gonna try and pull it now. Only thing carpet है तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है उसको push करना. Okay, so another update. ये वाला जो dresser था, stupid me, I just measured its length and width and height and everything, but I did not measure the fact that it's pretty wide and pretty big for me to fit inside this closet right here because ये glass एक आधा ही खुलता है, so I couldn't like maneuver it and fit it. So यहाँ तक लाने के बाद I had to put it all the way back. And then I was like, I'm not gonna put it back here because the whole point of me getting it out of here was to create more space. So then I realized कि इस वाले closet में भी एक chest था इस type का ही, but then I measured it and it was way smaller than that one. So I thought, okay, perfect. We can use that shelf or that chest of drawers to put inside that closet. ओके, सो प्रॉब्लम ये था कि ड्रेसर तो छोटा था लेकिन उसके ड्रॉर्स नहीं निकल रहे थे. जैसे इस वाले के तो आसानी से निकल गए थे, उसका नहीं हो रहा था. इट वाज सच क्रैपी शिटी क्वालिटी, बट आई मीन आई हैड टू पुट इट in there. So somehow I dragged it all the way through the carpet, which by the way is very hard and I'm literally sweating, and I managed to put it inside. Moral of the story, never buy furniture from IKEA. I mean that dresser is from IKEA too, but the quality is like zameen asman ka fark hai. This one's pretty expensive too. This one is very old. It's like 7-8 साल पुराना है. Okay, so this room, everything is clear for now. ये सारा जो यहाँ पे mess था, all that is gone. And this I will handle tomorrow because अभी time नहीं है मेरे पास. और ये रहा अमायरा का bedroom, all clean. I don't have a dresser in this room yet. I have to order one, लेकिन मुझे पहले measurement लेना है कि कहाँ fit करना है, कितने size का आएगा. So I'll do that in the next few days. I can keep all her things that are needed, you know, on an everyday basis in the dresser. And then in this cabinet, or sorry, in this closet over here are all her clothes. तो ऊपर उसके उसका snow suit है जो अभी नहीं चाहिए. We'll use it next year. Some extra blankets. These are all her sweaters and hoodies and dresses. और यहाँ पे सब tops है, pants है, onesies है रात के लिए. उसकी backpack है extra. Some other onesies, her dresses, and some shorts and skirts. So everything's organized here, and yeah, it looks so neat and clean now. और जो एक्स्ट्रा सामान था ये है अनायता का सामान इस बॉक्स में, 2 boxes में, and we'll donate it in the next couple of days. We'll eventually start getting rid of stuff so that we have more room, not to fill with more junk, but just more space in the house so that everything's not too crammed.